Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make pesto for pizza, full guide. Start by toasting pine nuts gently, then combine basil, garlic, parmesan, olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon in a blender or mortar. Pulse to a coarse, spreadable texture and season with salt and pepper to taste. Keep some extra oil to loosen the sauce and adjust balance before spreading on dough. Measure ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and predictable. I like a 2 cups basil to 1/4 cup parmesan ratio with 1/2 cup olive oil, but adjust to your taste. Reserve a few basil leaves and some oil to finish the pizza after baking for fresh color and shine. This method avoids a watery pesto and gives consistent spreadability for pizza. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for lasting comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect when you're standing long making pizzas at home. Check the description for the link and other deals, and treat your feet while your pesto cools. Now let's get back to the video. For best results, spread a thin, even layer of pesto on rolled dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Top with a modest amount of cheese and other ingredients so the pesto flavor stays prominent. Bake on a hot stone or preheated sheet until the crust crisps and cheese bubbles, then finish with fresh basil and a drizzle of oil for shine and aroma.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.